Comoros is a small island country located in the Indian Ocean, off the eastern coast of Africa, between Madagascar and Mozambique. It is officially known as the Union of the Comoros, Union des Comores in French. Key facts: Capital: Moroni, on the island of Grande Comore. Official languages: Comorian, Shikomori, Arabic. French population: approximately 900,000. As of 2024 estimates. Currency: Comorian franc, KMF. Religion: Islam is the dominant religion, Sunni Islam. Government: Federal Presidential Republic. Geography: the Comoros archipelago consists of 3 main islands,